Hi my beautiful people, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm back with the second part of the video from last week. This time it will be roller setting her hair and styling her hair and trim as well, so you guys can see the end result. I'm gonna play some part of the video from last week, so just to remind you guys where we started. I will be doing a tension roller on her hair, and a lot of you asked me why do the roller set if you're gonna go ahead and flat iron it anyways, and I cannot stretch it enough to tell you guys that roller setting your hair, yes, it takes a long time, but in the long run, it's the best thing for your hair, especially if you're trying to keep your curls and you want your hair to be healthy, and putting heat on it, it helps. You see how shiny the hair gets, the movement, the body. So I love the roller set. Do I do blow dry and style? Yes, I do. But a lot of times, even when I blow dry and style, I put my clients in the dryer, so most of the water is dry, and then I'll blow dry them, so that way I'm not putting too much of direct heat on their hair. With the rollers, it stretches it out for me. I don't have to put the blow dryer on it. The only heat that I would have to put is the flat iron, which I could put it in a low setting depending on what texture of hair they have, and it's easier for me to go through it. And the roller set keeps the moisture in there, the shininess. It breaks down the curls, and it gives a body, and it lasts longer to me. So I grew up with these rollers. I love these rollers, so I hope you guys understand why I roller set it. A lot of people say, oh, why waste time and roller set all this hair and then you're gonna go ahead and flat iron it anyways. I love hair. I love doing hair, and I'm always thinking about the health of the hair, how I'm gonna achieve the look they want in the best way that I can. So I will do, this is what I love to do, and this is what works for me, and I hope you guys understand why I roller set the hair, and you guys see the results anyways, how it does, and I hope you guys love it as well, and give it a try. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. And the roller set and pins and everything is available on stylesbyeden.com, and share these videos. And thank you guys. I will see you guys with another video. I appreciate y'all. Follow me on Instagram, hairstyles by Eden. Love y'all. Bye bye.